let's talk about optimizing your kitchen storage. We have often discussed different ways to organize your kitchen. However, if you have a small space, every spot that you can organize and use really does count. So today we're going to talk about those most often overlooked spaces in your kitchen that you can utilize to make the space more organized. If you have the floor space or the room in your kitchen, I suggest getting one of those stand-up cabinets. This can be used for two things. You can put your pots and pans in it or your other kitchen items, or you can use it as a pantry. Both of those things, getting them out of your cabinets and putting into this storage is going to free up a lot of room in your cabinets for other necessities. Hang baskets on your walls and hold your fresh fruit, your vegetables, or any other item that would normally sit on your counter. Get it off of your counter, put it into these baskets. It's not only a cute decoration, but it's also functional. Talking about using decorations for storage, think outside the box with that. Maybe get a chalkboard that doubles as a mail holder or a key ring holder. Just think about things whenever you're purchasing your decorations that will be a functional item for your kitchen. Hang shelves on your empty walls. You can use these for your pots and pans or your favorite bowls. You can even put your canning from the garden up on these shelves and make it look decorative. Placing shelves on your wall is going to give you a lot more room in the kitchen. The main focus here is to just have a clean, organized, and functional kitchen. If you have some really cute ways that you organize the space in your kitchen or utilize those little nooks and crannies, I would love to hear from you. Please post a comment down below. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.